don't have good but I been using to go to sleep. Use that to go to sleep. Is that not right?
Yeah, the Ma-Hina can be really good for sleep, and it's an amalgam of energies. It's based on the legend of the Hawaiian moon goddess, and so its ingredients reflect that. The Hawaiian moon goddess was, they called her like a creatrix, a warrior, a seer, protector, right? Nurturer. So it's got all these different facets to it, right? And I think that where that really comes from is the moon brings some instability. If you think about the water in your body relating to emotions. Water is always emotions when you're looking at like elements and how they relate to the physical body. And if you think about just what the moon does to like the ocean's tides, right? When the moon is full, the tides are higher, they're stronger. It's the same thing within you. It brings things up, and so there's more instability.
Yeah. So talk about what it does.
Well, yeah, I mean, especially if you're someone that's sensitive to moon cycles, which you are. It's been a really intense moon, so I would imagine that you might be feeling a little more sensitive or like having trouble sleeping. We are so very affected by the moon cycles, and essences are based on the synergy of flowers and minerals and waters. So when you're taking an essence, you're basically taking something that's at one frequency and you're adding it to your energy field, which is at another frequency. So you're changing the frequency of the water in your body. And so that's kind of like the core of why it works with things like sleep, because when your emotions get stirred up, essence is very calming and soothing. It helps illuminate within you like the things that you need to heal, but it has like a very nurturing formula so that the safety is there that's needed. As soon as you lay down at night, the first thing that happens usually is whatever was unresolved in that day might pop up. And even if it doesn't in your conscious mind, it does in your subconscious. So then you fall asleep and your dreams can be disturbed, or you wake up a few hours later thinking of something, or however it is. So it's just a very soothing essence, and it's meant to balance on these multiple different levels, energies in your subconscious.
It's also, for me, I feel very nurtured when I spread it. Is that normal or not normal?
Well, yeah, it has a formula in it that it's very gentle. I would say it creates the energy. It's very soft. It's almost like enveloping you. You think about like the way the moon's light shines down, and it allows stuff to come up, but it creates like a blanket of light around you, so you feel safe letting it come up.
Jamie, thanks so much for teaching me more. Thank you so much for teaching me more about your products, and I'm a huge fan. You'll have the discount code below, so you can try these essences, and believe me, you will be a huge fan once you do. I even gave them to Andy, who likes it too. Just a little side note. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.